Meaning of fakir.
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 Fakir. A fakir is a Muslim holy man who practices extreme self-discipline, including poverty and asceticism, in order to achieve spiritual enlightenment. The term can also refer to a wandering beggar or mystic in some contexts. In both cases, the fakir is seen as someone who has renounced worldly pleasures and possessions in pursuit of a higher purpose. The word fakir originates from the Arabic word fakir, which means poor. Fakirs are often respected in Muslim society for their dedication and piety.